The wind, for me, is the engine that powers life. My life. I listen to the wind. I talk to the wind. That's really important for me. What happened is that I lived in a big city. A lot of stress, pollution. And one day I came here on holiday, and in my heart I knew. Over the years that followed, I still knew it in my heart. And one day, I decided to come here with my family. In the Canary Islands, you can live in contact with nature every day. I love the wind, the color of the sea. It's paradise.
If you don't need a lover, if you want to move over, you let me know. You let me know. If you don't like our story.
It's an island that has a perfect temperature all year round. Every morning, I open up the school, prepare the material, look at the list of clients, organize the class depending on the wind, and then we have the class in the sea, in the lagoon. Kitesurfing is life itself for me. It's everything.
You let me know. You let me know. I got nothing else to lose. I got nothing else to love for you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here with you, my girl.
I don't come from here, but this island forms part of my life and my passion, which is kitesurfing. Full day, full year.